Hello guys, Hans here. Are you looking for a road assistant sidekick? Well, this dash cam has parking surveillance, Wi-Fi connectivity, ADAS, and voice command. And it talks too.
So first, let's talk about its size. It's 4 inches wide by 3 inches height, with about the size of a GoPro, similar to that. Now, for me, I like the size since you need to place this on the center of your windshield. Now, installation is not the best part since it's using an adhesive design mount that is a bit hard to do. Alright, now let's talk about what it comes with. Now, the unit that I have is the 70 My Smart Dashcam Pro. We have an included cable, signal adapter to USB, GPS module, and the funny remover. Not sure what this is called.
Alright guys, now once you plug in your micro SD card, which has a socket over here, it will auto detect it. And now Alright, now it's recording a video. Now this is a
Start recording emergency video.
Alright, so I have the motion detection on, so if I shake this thing, it will just automatically record it. Now, let's just wait for 10 seconds.
Recording complete.
Alright guys, so that's the voice that is coming from the speaker. Now this unit can only understand English. Now, when I say, take a picture.
Photo taken.
Nice, right? Now when I say, record a video.
Start recording emergency video.
Alright, as you can hear guys, that is the very sexy accent of the dash cam. Now, recording a video.
Unable to perform this operation.
Why?
Build quality, we have a 2.5-inch non-touch display, adjustable lens tilt, we have 5 buttons, we have our micro SD slot, and a micro USB slot for power, and above that, we have our GPS module slot.
So what is ADAS? You can Google that. Alright, so but for my understanding, this is a road assistant feature. So it will notify you if you're too close from a vehicle, and for example, you're stuck in traffic and you have ADAS feature on and you're talking to your lovely wife, having that perfect conversation, and you're not really paying attention to the traffic, it will let you know if the front vehicle has moved. So that's a good feature. Not that I'm guilty of doing that, but it's a best feature that you can have for a dash cam, because sometimes if you're driving similar for a long drive and you are stuck in traffic, you're not really paying attention to the front vehicle. Now you're paying attention to someone or talking to a friend, checking your phone, and if you're doing that, this dash cam will allow you or will let you know that the car in front of you has moved.
Feature-wise, we have parking guard, ADAS, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice command. The unit that I have here can only understand English. Image quality, it says it shoots 1944p, but you know almost all the dashcam says they shoot a higher image quality. Let me explain you on this. Even you shoot 8K video, if the glass and the sensor of the camera is crap, it won't do good video or pictures. Now for my unit, I think the glass and the overall lens of the camera has decent quality, as you can see from the images. It shoots decent video and photo to recognize plate numbers, but glare and the reflections are very visible on some of my recordings. Now if the company can replace the lens cover with a polarized lens, that would eliminate glare, but I'm not too sure if it would still be good at night recording. Anyway, that's just my suggestions. Alright, now let's move on to the app. The app is available on iOS and Android. Here you can view your recordings, monitor your car if you're away, as long as you have connectivity from your dashcam to your smartphone. Now, for the app, it will let you know your GPS coordinates, your speed, but when you download your footage from the computer, it loses that information from the video. I think that's just a bug or something that will update in the future.
Overall, should you buy this dash cam? Let's put that in consideration. So if your car already comes with a backup camera and you just need a dash cam that has ADAS, voice command, Wi-Fi connectivity, this is a good choice. Now, it also comes with an app which allows you to update this dash cam, which is a great thing, and it shows you your information, your GPS location, and of course your speed, but that only shows up in the app, and that is a great deal too. So you can monitor your speed, you can monitor your errors, similar to what happened last time to me. Now I'll show that on the footage. Now, if you're looking for those features, this dash cam is a great choice. Now, for image quality, it shoots decent video at daytime, and at nighttime it's also shoot decent image, but of course some of the plate numbers are not really recognizable at nighttime, but on daytime it records decent photos and videos, which is a great thing for a dash cam. Now, that's it for this dash cam. If you're interested on getting this product, check the link in the description box. And again, guys, my name is Hans.vgd, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.